Hi, and welcome to our demo of AR placemaking. This is a space we're going to be working with today, and in order to see the designs, we'll go ahead and look at our image target down at the floor. Having tracked the image, we can now see our models being rendered in front of us. We can look around and get a better look at them, and we can also use the selector at the bottom to navigate the different options. The numbers represent the main option, and the letter represent the variant of that main option. You can see the name of the main option as well as the name of the variant in parentheses. We can also use a toggle at the top of the screen to hide the 3D models in case we want to reorient ourselves and see the normal space again. Having shown you those features, we'll go ahead and take a minute and walk through our model here and get a look at the interior. And it's a bit of a testament to the tracking abilities of AR Foundation, allowing us to give the user a better look inside our 3D models. So we'll go ahead and make our way over here. And we can also see an interesting view through the glass over here into the real world. Now that we've been able to see the interior, we can finish looking at the different models, the different options. You might have noticed that when we select a new option, it turns blue, and this means that we've looked at it already, just to give more affordance to the user. Once you've seen all the options, the menu button at the bottom left starts to flash blue, indicating that you've seen all the options and you can now take the survey. So pressing the survey button opens the menu at the bottom. You can expand it, make it smaller or larger, however you want. And you can go ahead and take this survey just like any web survey. And again, you can make it smaller if you want to get a better look at your models again, or expand it if you want the survey to be larger, whatever works for you. So we'll go ahead and take the survey. We'll finish all the questions down here. Again, just like any other web survey. And once the user is done, they can go ahead and finish the survey and close the survey menu. And that is all the functionality for our AR placemaking app. Thank you.
Another part of our project is the authoring tool, which is designed to speed up the workflow of positioning and rotating an AR visualization with respect to its image target. So when you scan an image target, it puts the coordinate space for the model at the origin of the image. So this can be kind of annoying if you are placing a large model such as a building. As you can see, it's a little hard to tell exactly where we are in the building or where we want to put it. So we can bring up this authoring tool and we can adjust that Z coordinate to push it back. You can see it turns the building into a translucent version of the model to indicate we are adjusting it. And then once you hit the update button, it solidifies it again. So at the same time that that update button is pushed, it also pushes the changes in the position and rotation to the remote config server and updates the values there. So once you hit the update button, every other user with this application will have the most up-to-date position. So this is taking the place of that editing the JSON in the website that you saw us doing before. So in here, I'm just rotating the building to see if another side looks better, but we'll end up just going back to the original side. So this should greatly improve the process of positioning an AR visualization with respect to the marker, because you can do it all in the app in a similar UI to what the end user application looks like. So this remote config service combined with this UI should make it much easier for someone to create a place and position it. Oh, and the cancel button also the user can use. So if you make a change that you don't like, just hit the cancel button, it goes back to the last push change of the server. And that is our authoring tool and our project. Thank you for watching.